Original Batman. Lego.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Ulana. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my little world on the internet. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you. I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this cute and Fulani inspired hairstyle. That's why there's the beads and the gold and just Africanness and its wholesomeness. Okay, so I really do hope that you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to tag me should you recreate these styles on Instagram. You can just check me out. You can either search for me as Miriam Ulana or New Kid on the Block blog. I will be updating that soon to make it easy for you guys to find me on Instagram. But tag me, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know if you like the hairstyle, if you would recreate it, and what you want to see next on the channel. I love you guys so much. Have a beautiful day.
Okay, so this is going to be very easy. Again, we're going to be braiding, but today we're going to be doing stitch braids. And stitch braids are basically when you add extensions as you are doing your cornrows. So you're going to start off by cornrowing about 1 centimeter down before you start adding just a small thin braid to your cornrow. And this is just so that it's thicker than your hair, because I feel like if I just braided with my hair, it wouldn't like have that thickening that just comes with stitch added braiding. So that's all you do. Try and not add too much because you also don't want it to be thick. Again, you have so much room to work with the style that you want. Do you want it to be too thick? Do you want it to be thinner? It's all up to you. And then you're going to braid all the way down. Be sure to take it easy on your hairline. You don't want to be tugging and pulling at your hairline. So if there are any parts of your hairline that you can't hold as you're braiding, let it go. You can always sleek them down. So this is a close-up just to show you guys. You're going to braid down just about 1 centimeter or maybe half a centimeter. You're going to cornrow just your hair. You add your braid, you hold it with your index finger, and then you're going to braid down without the other part of that braid. So you hold one part with the index finger, you cornrow down about 2 stitches, and then you come back in with your braid. You're going to stitch again, you're going to braid again, cornrow again for about 2 beats, and then you're going to add your braid yet again. Again, you put your braid under your index finger, you hold it there, hold it tight so that it doesn't move as you're braiding the rest of your hair. You pick it up with your index finger and then follow through with the same process. I'm going to be adding about 4 braids all the way down as I'm doing my stitch cornrowing, because that's the thickness that I want. So index finger, add your braid, cornrow down about 2 steps, and then add your braiding to make it thicker. If there are any parts of your hairline that you can't add to your cornrow, don't force it, leave it be. You can always slick it down because you don't want to put too much tension on your hairline. That's what causes hair breakage along the hairline. So again, protect your edges, don't worry about it. It doesn't need to be perfect and thin and all of that. You can always just use your edge control or use a gel to sleek your edges down and allow your hairline to actually grow. Putting too much tension on your hairline will damage your hairline even further. Make sure also that as you're doing this style that your hair is moisturized, like deeply moisturize your hair. If you're going to go through a whole wash day, to make sure that you have locked in moisture along the hairline as well as the rest of your hair, then that would be great. That's the whole idea for protective styling. You also want to keep your hair moisturized. You don't want it to lose any moisture as it is protected. So again, full wash day routine, braid your hair properly, and then there you go, your hair will be protected. I'm now going to follow in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to gel up 2 parts of my hair. You're going to section the back of your hair into 2 straight parts, down the middle part of your hair. So 2 partings, down the middle of your hair, and then you're going to just add your Eco Styler gel. You can use either a wide tooth comb to make sure that you spread your Eco Styler gel all through your hair. It is kinky hair after all, it's not that easy to manage and stick down sometimes. Or you can use a Denman brush and just brush it through to make sure that it's properly slicked down. You don't want any bumps in this hairstyle. You want it to look sleek, you want it to look stunner. So please guys, use as much gel as you need, and if your hair is moisturized, it's going to be fine. I know some of you guys worry about using gel on your hair, but just make sure that you moisturize your hair and then you'll be fine. Now all you're going to do is stick down the front of your hair, and then, oh my gosh, this is the easy part. Just use your satin cloth and then wait for your hair to dry. You can do this overnight, or you can do it if you have a full day at home, then you can just spend the day waiting for your Eco Styler gel to dry. I did it overnight, and this is about a full face of makeup later. Now that your hair is dry, all you need to do is come in with kinky hair. My choice today is this kinky hair. You can use anything from Kinky Africa, you can use Mali braid, you can even use any Kanekolon hair should you wish. It's all about your preference. I really wanted this hair to look, you know, very kinky, very natural, because that's what I'm kind of going for in this Fulani inspired hairdo. I'm using a whole packet, so I'm using 2 packets because I want it to be thick. You're going to use your scrunchie or a hair tie to go through and then attach your packet of hair onto your knot and then you're going to flip it over. Once you flip it over, just put it in place. Make sure that it covers your actual bun, your natural hair bun, that is. And this also depends on the thickness. Feel free to use bobby pins should you need to make sure that your own hair is covered, because you really want this look to be, you know, on point. The nice thing about this style is you can always take off the hair at night. I mean, when you're going to bed, if you want to feel comfortable, you can always take it off. Hey, look at me looking cute. You can actually rock this hairstyle this way should you wish to. I mean, just fasten it somewhere around with a bobby pin and then you're good to go. Okay, you're going to need a whole lot of muscle for this, because that's a lot of hair. So you're going to use a hair tie, a scrunchie, or an elastic. I couldn't use elastics. I found that they kept breaking off. And what you're going to do is you're literally going to section your hair into 4 parts going down. So you're going to use a scrunchie, you're going to tighten it, and then you're going to bubble your hair because you want it to be in 4 bubbles all the way down. And it's so easy. Just bring a whole lot of muscle. Be patient. Again, do not tug, because you don't want to be tugging on your hair. You can actually, I think you can also do this off of your head. I just think it makes it easier if you do it with these attached to your hair, because you can see what they look like, and you can make sure that they look the same and they look even on both sides. So you just need 4 scrunchies. If you need more bubbles, then you just add more scrunchies to it. If you want the hair to be longer, it's all up to you. So you just use the scrunchies, you fan it out a little bit just to create those bubbles, and then you do it up until the end, right to the end. Now this is the easy part. If you want to do the whole Fulani inspired hairdo, you need to add beads, okay? And you're going to be adding your beads in the front, and then just kind of style it the way you want to. I ended up adding these gold pins because I just feel like it looks so sexy, it looks so cute. And I mean, winter doesn't need to be boring. For a lot of us, we feel like, okay, now that it's winter, it should just be braids. I mean, have fun with it. And because the beads that I was using are coming from my a necklace that I broke to get these beads, because I just felt too lazy to go to a bead shop. You can actually get these beads from a bead shop or from your local hair shop. So wherever you get your hair, some of these places actually sell beads. So what I needed to do was basically thread a needle with my hair, which is what I am trying to do. And then once I thread the needle, it's putting the needle through the bead and then just pulling it up. A needle is easier because a crochet pin is too thick, so you need something thin enough to go through your beads. Then just add your beads as you wish. You can choose different colors. I wanted brown because I wanted it to be very neutral toned. I wanted to match with anything that I'm going to decide to wear on the day. And then add your accessories. I mean, the gold pins work if you're more of a cool tone and silver's more your thing. Go for silver. And if you want maybe the gold threading, then do that. It's all up to you what you then do, but I think that this looks so amazing. You can wear it on date night, you can wear it to a festival, to a function. Hey, it could even be dinner. I think you can rock your hair however you want to anywhere. There you go, a sexy as fuck.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I appreciate it. Again, I hope that you guys really did enjoy the video. I really think this hairstyle is so bomb. This right here was so simple to do. All you have to do is, if you're new to this, don't give up on the first try. One try, twice, and you will get it. Okay, it's so simple. It's protective. It's what you want to be rocking this winter. No one says that in winter we should be boring, right? So yeah, go ahead, recreate these styles, and don't forget to tag me, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, become a part of our family. I know some of you still aren't part of the family. Just join the family. Just do it. Trust me, you won't regret it. Anyways, guys, I always put a video right here for you guys to watch, so don't forget to watch my other videos. You know, like, you're already late. You might as well just change into your PJs and chill. Like, you don't have to go out. Just watch my video. It's right here. Right here. And then subscribe to the channel. Bye, baby. Mwah.